Hi, this is Pankuri and you're watching me on Movie Talkies. Today I'm going to review A.R. Murugados's much-awaited actioner Sonakshi Sinha Anurag Kashyap starrer Akira. The film revolves around a girl called Akira जो अपने मुंह से नहीं अपने हाथों और लातों से ज़्यादा बात करती है. Trained in martial arts, Akira is sent to a remand home as a kid as she gets into a brawl with some influential guys. बड़े होने पर वो अपनी माँ के साथ जोधपुर से मुंबई अपने भाई के घर चली जाती है for higher studies. However, the city of dreams throws more challenges at Akira as she gets involved in a crime case involving some corrupt police officers. What is that case? How Akira gets involved in it and whether she manages to get out of it or not? Well, to know that, my friends, you'll have to watch the film. Sonakshi Sinha is playing the titular role, and though it's good to see an actress beating the goons to a pulp and perform some high-octane action sequences, she fails to convince you. Sonakshi एक college student बिल्कुल नहीं लगती and because her character is very unidimensional, as she is forever angry, it tends to become boring. However, that has more to do with the script than her, but overall she's done a decent job. लेकिन फिल्म में वो किसी भी सिचुएशन में क्यों ना हो, आंखों से काजल एक बार भी नहीं हटा and in the most trying situations वो थोड़ा सा smudge हो जाता है, that's it. And here I am, still looking for an eyeliner that stays. Anurag Kashyap has played a corrupt pothead ACP and trust me, he's the best thing about this film. He's so menacing in the movie that you would love to hate him. उनकी dialogue delivery से लेकर उनके care a damn attitude तक, everything is just bang on. Surprisingly, he has more screen space than Sonakshi and we are thankful for that. He's given such a good performance that I would want to see him in more films in the future. Konkana Sen Sharma is playing a pregnant senior police officer and though she is an acting powerhouse, she did not have much to do in the film. लेकिन उनका जितना भी रोल था उसमें उन्होंने अच्छा काम किया है. Amit Saad and Rai Lakshmi have very small roles and thus there is not much to talk about them. Rest of the supporting cast too has done a decent job. Now let's talk about the movie. Akira has novelty as we don't really see women-oriented action films in Bollywood, but that's also its undoing as it tries too hard to be an action drama. फिल्म में काफी ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स भी हैं, but all of them are very predictable. ऐसा लगता है जैसे अनुराग के कैरेक्टर के अलावा और किसी कैरेक्टर पर ध्यान ही नहीं दिया गया, as neither they have any growth in them nor are they multifaceted. This film is very stereotypical and full of cliches. फिल्म में दिखाया गया है कि अकीरा के पास मोबाइल फोन नहीं है जबकि she belongs to an upper middle class family. आज के ज़माने में किसके पास मोबाइल फोन नहीं होता यार? इस फिल्म में पुलिस वाले बिना मोबाइल फोन लिए ही एनकाउंटर करने निकल जाते हैं. जंगल में उनके वॉकी टॉकी को सिग्नल नहीं मिलता लेकिन हाँ, उन्हें फोन बूथ जरूर मिल जाता है. There is another scene जिसमें सोनाक्षी एक जंगल में हथकड़ी पहने हुए है और इतने झाड़ और पत्तों के बीच में भी एक ही नजर में वो चाबी ढूंढ लेती है. यहाँ सामने पड़ी हुई चीज ढूंढने पे भी नहीं मिलती. I think Murugadoss forgot to tell us that her character also had some superpowers. The film keeps you engaged in the first half, but towards the second half it becomes a total yawn fest. The screenplay gets very tedious and some scenes are unnecessarily stretched. The climax too seems very rushed और ऐसा लगता है जैसे सब फिल्म बनाकर बोर हो रहे थे तो जल्दी-जल्दी में क्लाइमेक्स निपटा दिया. A.R. Murugadoss's direction is decent, but this film is no Gajni or Holiday. This script needed more work और screenplay को और crisp होना चाहिए था. There is one song in the film and it's pretty okay. Background score too is average. So if you love watching action films, this might be your cup of tea. Otherwise, you can give it a miss. But you can definitely watch it for Anurag Kashyap's amazing performance. I give this film a rating of 2.5 stars. So that's all I have for you this weekend. I'll catch you next time with something new and something fresh. Till then, stay tuned to Movie Talkies and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.